Hey guys, what's up? So a few minutes after the last train went by, we got a Norfolk Southern coming. I think it's Norfolk Southern, hard to tell for sure. It's coming over here, and it's trying to. There's also CSX locomotives trying to come back to. Okay, I can see both locomotives. It's a 2-engine Norfolk Southern train, I think, and they're coming. So the CSX that you see, which is the engine on the left-hand side, is actually working on the TTX yard, which I have not seen before. And a train actually go in there like a locomotive itself. No, I don't think that's an SD70 actually. I thought it might have been, but I don't think so actually. You're gonna film it, right?
Yeah. I'll wait till it gets about where that. Now I'll do it.
Yeah. Crossings. Here he comes, guys. So he's gonna switch over on this track in a second, guys. On another track, not this track, but another track on the very far right. Looks like a -9 possibly leading. Dude, I've been seeing so many Norfolk Southern -9s in Jacksonville. It used to be a lot of ES locomotives, but now they're all -9s and like AC 4400s. But that's a -9 for sure, I think. Yeah. The grain cars, they're Southern Railway. I haven't seen a Southern Railway car in a while. Southern Railway, for those of you guys who don't know, was Norfolk Southern before they merged with the Norfolk and Western Railroad. The two railroads that merged were the Norfolk and Western and the Southern Railroad. Now, these are cars of the Southern Railroad, and also there's a Herzog car. And these cars may be used for the Brightline construction down in like West Palm Beach area of Florida. Also, that looks like a, I was gonna say BNSF, but no, it's not. Car. Yeah, I don't know why that was kind of like dark. I'll just put it like that so you guys can see it. If I step on my tripod one more time, dude. Just make sure I have that. Yeah, that's good, right? Yeah, I got that secured. These are some long cars. Okay, well I say that now we got short tank cars, but The cars themselves, I think, are longer than normal. Like those two grain cars I just passed are really long. And now we got some 5 short tankers and some more hoppers, which could be used, which may be also kind for the bright line construction, but I'm not exactly sure. Here come 2 very long tankers, which I believe just screeched. I might do it again, because when long cars go on curves, they tend to screech, especially sharp curves. You guys remember the Amtrak cars on the Amtrak auto train earlier? They were screeching a lot, and the reason for that screeching was because it was on a very sharp curve. More Herzog cars, a lot of Herzog cars. I think the Herzog cars are for the bright line construction for sure. And I see a couple of cars that I don't know. There's like a weird looking hoppers coming. Oh, they're FEC owned. Okay, so that's interesting. You guys look on the side, it says FEC on those cars. Well, yeah. I think they all say FEC. Now, this is a manifest. Oh, Burlington Northern car. I don't know how rare that is actually. But it's a green Burlington Northern car up there. Yeah, there's a green Burlington Northern car. You ought to take a picture of it when it goes by. I'm gonna take a picture. My dad was a kid, he lived kind of near train tracks, and they ran Santa Fe, Burlington Northern, and I think sometimes Union Pacific and Rock Island. Never mind, I wasn't able to take a picture. I'll screenshot it later. Man, this is a long train. I can't even see the end. Hopefully that looks better. It's just because like the sun, guys, it's like it gets darker and I don't know what to do about it. The funny thing is though, with these cars, is you guys see that bridge in the background, the car bridge? All the cars that wait at these crossings, they can just go and go drive on that bridge just to get over the train. And if you're, and it's not hard to get to. That's like the road that we get to Quake Street on, one of those. And then there's also the little walkway above for the pedestrians. They can walk over the train. The first time I came to McQuaid Street, that's where we filmed from up there. I didn't like it though that much because it's kind of hard to do it with a tripod and not have the gate, or the black gate in the way, and it's kind of distracting. So I just decided it'd be better to film down here. I mean, we may go back up somewhere. end of this thing. Holy. This CSX train may be waiting on this guy. Of course, the second I say that, here comes the CSX train, guys. Here he comes. Now, this is the one we saw earlier. You see him got picked up a train. Dad, make sure you get the CSX engine. He's finally coming. We're gonna get two at once. We're gonna get a meet, I think. That's considered. There seems to be two guys on the front. He may switch on to this side, possibly. Woo! This is the first time, well, no, not first, but it doesn't happen very often when I actually get meets. I can't, I gotta film it. He's honking it for me. That's the guy who made Look at that, two trains at once. I can't believe there's two trains. Okay, he's stopping. Now, oh my gosh, this Norfolk Southern train has all sorts of cars. Now he's switching the switch, guys, I think. Employees, both of them, they're both wonderful. They honked so many times for me, and they even stopped the train just so I could get my stuff out. Oh my gosh. And we're gonna meet, okay, 6559, I will not forget you. I can't believe we got a meet. Oh. Actually, I said you guys should have seen the Amtrak video. You saw the short, probably, but I have not actually uploaded the video yet. Oh my gosh, you got two trains at once. The Norfolk Southern train, maybe. But you know what's funny, guys? I actually said, if you guys go back, you might be able to hear me say it, I think. I'm pretty sure I said this. Right before the locomotive started moving, the CSX, I said, the CSX locomotive doesn't seem like it's going to move anytime soon, but I was sure wrong. There goes, looks like the CSX train just stopped, and there goes the last car of the NS. Oh, it's so much quieter. I've been watching this train for 15 minutes. And yeah. Did they uncouple? Did the CSX engine uncouple? It's kind of hard to tell. Oh, there we go. No, it did not. Oh, there's water coming out of that one or something like that. There's some sort of liquid down there. Look at the little liquid, Dad, coming out of that car. I don't know. I think it's like water dripping, I think. Man, they had all this stored in the TTX yard. I mean, I think they built the train. I don't think it was already just in this form. But anyway, I see the last car. Here comes the last car, guys. There he goes. Oh my gosh, look at it. Look at the wheels. The wheels aren't turning, they're braking. Wait, he must have forgotten to. That must be the cars in not independent brake.
Derailed.
No? Wait, is it derailed? Oh my gosh, what the heck is going on with that? I'm still filming that, hang on. Oh my gosh, I don't know how well you guys can see now, but that thing is still is not spinning. It's like the handbrakes are applied or something. I bet you if it was going fast, it would be sparking if it was going fast enough. Oh my gosh. Wow. All right. Well, anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. And that was an awesome meet. The Amtrak train should be here not too long, hopefully, and we'll be able to get it down the street, hopefully. So I'll see you guys later. Bye.